Okay, so in Python, we have two types of loops that we'll use. You'll find that you'll use one type of loop a lot more commonly than the other, but it's good to know about both of them because you will definitely run into both types a lot out in the wild while you're looking for code. And computer scientists really like one, and I think data scientists really like the other one. And so there's quite often you'll need to understand the coding style of the other one. And so here we're going to get started. So we'll go over for loops. So for loops go transverse. So they go through a collection of variables. So that would be if you have a list, it's going to go through each item. If you have a data frame, it's going to go through each row or maybe through each column. But it's going to be a set amount. You're going to know this amount ahead of time. So it's going to iterate through each name or maybe even in a word, each letter in the word is going to, but it's going to have a set amount. Okay. A while loop is a little bit more commonly used. I always think of it a little bit more in computer science. While someone is connected to the internet, do this sort of thing. So it is used, and you can accomplish lots of the same things with both of the loops. Data science fits a little bit more naturally into working with a for loop. It's not that you'll never need a while loop. There are a handful of times that you need them, but it does not happen very often. For loops generally will just be much easier because you usually have a set number of rows, set number of columns, set amount of data that you'll be working with. Okay, when you move models into production, you could again deal with a little bit more of while loops because there's more of that live action to be managed. Okay, let's go on to the next slide.